By the end of this video, Photoshop will never look intimidating to you. Refer to these chapters to skip to any section of the video, and don't forget to download the practice files in the description. So what in the world is Photoshop? Photoshop is a program to edit and create images made up of pixels. I'm going to repeat that again for you. It's simply a program to edit and create images made up of pixels. Now you might ask, Unmesh, what the hell is a pixel? Well, it's a phone from Google, right? Pixel is a small box with just one color. So right here, you have one box with just one color. Right next to it, you have another box with a slightly different color. Right next to it, right here at the bottom, you have one more box with very similar color. So these boxes of similar, different, or same colors come together to create an image for you. So fascinating, isn't it? When you first open Photoshop, you see the home screen. Think of it this way. Whenever you're doing something on your phone, you swipe up from the bottom to get to home, or on an Android phone, you press the home button to get to home. Similarly, on a car infotainment system, let's say you're listening to music, there's a home button which if you press, it takes you to home. Now, what does the home have in all of these devices? Well, it gives you a bigger picture of all of the apps you have and the apps that you're working on. Similarly, in Photoshop, the home screen shows the recent projects that you're working on and your assets. So right now, I've not opened anything. So if I go here, open one of my projects on color grading, and just to give you a glimpse, this is the before, this is the after. Fantastic, isn't it? So let's say I made a little change, increased the opacity a little bit, saved it by pressing Ctrl or Command S. We're going to get to all of that later. And we closed it. Okay. Now it begins to show right here. Whether I open an image, it would work the same. Save it or not, it would work the same. This time, let's simply drag and drop, and we won't even save it. Let's drag it and drop it into Photoshop. We opened it. By the way, this is my project on removing dark circles. Here's the before, here's the after, and there's a video on it if you're interested. Let's close it. I'm not even saving it. And there you go. It shows you your recent projects. You can also access your files that you have uploaded to your Creative Cloud, and Creative Cloud storage is something that you get when you buy Photoshop. And right here, if you click on your files, you will have access to it. Please ignore them. I have uploaded some of the most random stuff. If someone else has a Creative Cloud account and he or she has shared a file with you, you can click on this button to access them. I know this one is a bit scary.